Never ever tamper with fire alarms. Remember, these are life safety devices. These were made to save people's lives because they alert people that there is a fire in the building and they must evacuate immediately. So these are not to be messed around with. In fact, fire alarms reduce the amount of fire deaths every year in this country and across the world. So these things are the difference between life and death in a fire. So don't mess with them. Never unscrew the alarm off the wall. Never screw the alarm in more. Never take the plate off the alarm. Never paint the alarm. Never take the strobe off the alarm. Never take the horn off the alarm. Never disable the horn or the strobe on the alarm. Never adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on the alarm. Never cut power to the alarm. Never smash the alarm. Never pull the alarm for fun. Also, never open the alarm button. Never take the fire letterings off the alarm. Never take the logo off the alarm. Never take out the image of the running man escaping from the fire off the alarm if your alarm is a EST Genesis. Never cross that image out on the alarm. Again, if the alarm is a EST Genesis. Leave the alarm the way it is. Remember, if you break the alarm, you are responsible for replacing it. Here is a tip with your fire alarm, especially if it's in a public building. Make sure that you put a tamper screw over the alarm. So, just in case there are people that think it's appropriate to tamper with alarms, well, good luck trying to take the alarm off the wall because of the tamper screw. Many fire alarms have a sealed candela, a sealed tone, a sealed volume, and a sealed pattern. So it makes it harder for people to mess with them, which is good. And the alarm button has a cover with a built-in alarm over it, so people don't cause a false alarm by pulling it for fun. Because once you lift the cover to access it, the alarm in the cover will sound, and that alarm is going to grab attention that someone is trying to pull the fire alarm, and the person will get caught or run away because they're looking at it. That is one way to protect your fire alarm from tampering. Stopper over the button, tamper screw over the actual alarm. Safety cage over the actual alarm. That will make it harder for people to try to tamper with fire alarms. You don't want people tampering with fire alarms, especially in a public building like a school. Principals are very serious about fire alarm tampering in schools. If students try to take the alarm off the wall, they are going to have tough luck with that. Bye.